In today's video, I am going to teach you how to customize Stripe invoice branding. To begin, make sure you are already logged in to your Stripe dashboard. Once you are inside the dashboard, go to the left-hand navigation menu and click Invoices. This will take you to the Invoice area where you can manage invoice-related settings and updates. Next, move to the top right corner of the page and click the three-dot More menu. From the options that appear, select Invoice Settings. This will open the settings area where Stripe allows you to control how your invoices look and appear to customers. Inside the Invoice Settings page, find the Branding section and click Branding Settings. This is where you can adjust the visual style of your invoices. After that, open the Invoice tab, so you are editing the branding specifically for invoices. In the Brand Elements section, you can upload or update your icon and logo. Your icon is usually a small brand image, while your logo gives your invoices a more complete and professional appearance. Choose the files you want to use and make sure they match your business branding. After adding your icon and logo, customize your brand color and accent color. These colors help define the visual identity of your invoices. The brand color is typically used for the main styling, while the accent color can highlight important elements. Pick colors that match your brand and keep the invoice clean and easy to read. As you make these changes, review the live invoice preview on the screen. This preview shows you how your branding will appear on the final invoice. It is a helpful way to confirm that your logo, icon, and colors all work well together before saving anything. Once you are satisfied with the design, click Save Changes. This will apply your updated branding settings to your Stripe invoices. To confirm everything looks correct, create a new invoice or open an existing one. Check that your updated icon, logo, and color choices are now visible. This final review helps make sure your branding appears the way you intended when customers receive their invoices. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.